Alright, that's where I'm at. Getting ready to do some wet sanding. Took my airbrush, a little bit of black in it. Just sprayed a little bit of black over it real lightly. Now I'm going to start wet sanding. I'll show you how I do that. Maybe. .600 grit sandpaper in here. This is pretty much how I do it. This will show me all my low spots, if there's any. Now you can see where my low spots are. I just got to keep working it down. Try to go in different directions. Don't just stay in one direction. That's pretty much how I do it. I'm gonna get to finishing doing this because it's kind of a pain in the ass holding this camera in one hand. I'm trying to do this with the other hand, so. But anyway, you get the drift, get the idea. Still got a little more sanding to do on it here to get it nice and smooth. But that's where I'm at. I'm gonna finish wet sanding this whole tank with 600 grit wet sandpaper, and then I will go around and take some gray Scotch-Brite, excuse me, and get all the spots that I can't get with the sandpaper. So, till then, peace out.